What's up, Peak Timers? It's race day, and today we are racing the newest 2020 Hot Wheels releases. We've got 36 of them, including some of the best from Bugatti, Koenigsegg, Porsche, and McLaren, plus lots others. Let's go ahead and do a big tournament race to find out the fastest. Giveaway reminder, like my Facebook page, subscribe to me on YouTube, and you are entered in to win all of these cars. That's all you have to do. Top 2 links in the description box below. And here's our first 6 of 36 cars racing in groups of 6. Let's see which cars are racing. We've got the Porsche 918 Spyder in the new blue color, the Ion Motors Thresher Spy Racers Fast and Furious car. We've got Clip Rod, a very interesting fantasy casting. We've got the Range Rover Velar in black. We've got the Datsun 510 Bluebird wagon, and we've got the Total Disposal. All right, here we go for race number 1. One winner moves on. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And there can only be one winner, and it is the Ion Motors Thresher, which will move on to our final race. Our next 6 cars are at the starting line. Let's see who's racing. We've got the Porsche 944 Turbo in the new color. We've got the 2Jet Z in blue. We've got the brand new Chevy Nova. We've got RV there yet in the red color. We've got the Bugatti Chiron Zamac edition release. And we've got the Duck and Roll. Who do you think's gonna win this one? Let's go. Race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! Porsche 944 Turbo hits the ground, but there is only one winner, and that is the Bugatti Chiron moves on to our finals. And our next group of 6 cars are on the starting grid. Let's have a look at them. We've got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. We've got the Jaguar XESV Project 8. We've got the Alpine A110. We've got the Acura NSX-R. We've got the Erkenstein Rod, brand new casting, and the Nissan Silvia S15. Who do you think's gonna win this race and go on to our finals? Let's find out right now. On your mark, get set, go! This time it's Party Wagon that hits the ground, but our winner is Erkenstein Rod, moving on to our finals to join that Bugatti and the Ion Motors Thresher. Race number 4 cars on the starting grid. We've got the Baja Tunes Bug. We've got the Jaguar XJ220. We've got the Volvo 850 Wagon. We've got the Aston Martin Vulcan. We've got the Thomas the Train Locomotorin. And we've got the Acura Integra GSR. Take your picks now. We're going to find out who's going to win this one. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go! And your winner is the Jaguar XJ220, moving on to our finals. Race number 5 cars on the starting grid. Let's have a look at them. We've got the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo, possibly the longest named Hot Wheels car ever made. We've got the Jeep Gladiator with those bikes in the back right there. We've got the brand new Honda Prelude casting. Oh, very, very nice. And the Honda S2000 right beside it. Then we've got the Greenwood Corvette, very classic looking Corvette, very nice. And the McLaren P1, brand new color of this casting. Let's go have a look and see who do you think is gonna win this one. On your mark, get set, go! And our winner is the Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. going on to our finals to join the others. And our race number 6 is here, the last chance for any of these 6 cars to get into the finals and race for the championship. We've got the GMC Cyclone pickup truck, brand new casting. We've got the Porsche 944 Turbo in red. We've got Mod Rod, new colorway of that one. We've got the very popular brand new Koenigsegg Agera R and the Corvette ZR1 convertible. And we've got the 54 Chevy Gasser. Who do you think's gonna take this one, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's find out who moves on though right now. On your mark, get set, go! Looks like the Gasser had trouble getting down the track, but there is a winner. It is the Porsche 944 Turbo in red. It is going on to our final. And here we are, our finals, finding out who's gonna win our 36 car Hot Wheels tournament. Let's see who's racing. The Ion Motors Thrasher won race number 1. The Bugatti Chiron Zamac Edition won race number 2. Erkenstein Rod won race number 3. Race number 4 was won by the Jaguar XJ220. Porsche Panamera Turbo SC Hybrid Sport Turismo wins race number 5. And another Porsche, it's the 944 Turbo. Let me know in the comments down below, who do you think's gonna win our tournament? Let's find out right now though. On your mark, get set, go! And there we have it, our grand champion winner. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo beats out all of these other 35 cars and becomes our tournament champion. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car that raced today and if you picked that winner. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.